Hello students, so your question is particles are moving in the bottom of the glass is due to option A is dilution, option B is dissolution, option C is kinetic energy and option D is potential energy. So students, let us know about dilution. So students, dilution is the basically process in which there will be a decrease in the concentration of solute in a solution by adding more solvent. Okay students, so in a solution, whenever we add more solvent without adding any solute, then the decrease of concentration occurs. Okay students, and this process is known as dilution. Second is dissolution. Okay students, so in dissolution basically it is a process where a solute in gaseous, liquid or solid phase will be dissolved in a solvent to form a solution. Okay, so I hope students dissolution and dilution is clear to you and it is related to the solution, not with the particles movement students. That's why option first and second will get eliminated. And now let us move ahead with our third option, that is kinetic energy. So students, basically kinetic energy is a form of energy by which an object gets in motion students, and then this energy gets transferred by applying a net force by which students the object speeds up and there gains a kinetic energy. And students, potential energy is mainly the energy that is stored or conserved in an object or substance. So students, the correct answer for this question will be our C option, that is kinetic energy. So students, the particles will be moving in the bottom of the glass is due to the kinetic energy, as students kinetic energy increases with the temperature. Okay students, so I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in the next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day.